What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So OPPO on its Inno Day 2020, which held recently, has released their rollable display, which is ridiculous considering how short time it took. It was last year only when Samsung introduced their Samsung Galaxy Fold in March 2019, but now OPPO is saying that by 2021 the OPPO X shall be retailing in the market. With this, Oppo is also releasing their Oppo Glass, which are the AR glasses compared to the Google Glass and also as the Apple Glass. The Oppo says it's going to release them as well as in 2021. For more updates, stay tuned and subscribe to Tech Phantom.